morning to children. In previous class we discussed exercise 3. Two Romans are finished. Now third Roman, see. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? First one, 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 or 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. Okay, 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 or 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. Okay, here first of all we find the 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 and next 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. Next we compare these two fractions. Okay, solution C now. First one, 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 equal to 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. Half means multiplication. Half means multiplication. So 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. 4 by 7 equal to 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. Product of numerators by product of denominators. 2 into 4. 2 into 4 by 5 into 7 equal to 2 4s are 8 by 5 7s are 35. 2 4s are 8 by 5 7s are 35. Next one, 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 equal to 3 by 4 into half means multiplication. 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 equal to 3 into 1 by 4 into 2. 3 into 1 by 4 into 2 equal to 3 1s are 3 by 4 2s are 8. Okay, 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 value 3 by 8. 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 value 8 by 35. Now we compare these two fractions. Okay, see 8 by 35. 8 by 35. Next fraction is 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Okay, we comparing means first of all we convert to the denominator same number. Okay, so first fraction into second fraction denominator. Okay, first fraction into second fraction denominator 8 by 8. 8 by 8 equal. Next, second fraction into first fraction denominator. First fraction denominator what ma here? 35. 35 by 35. Okay, 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64 by 35 8s are 35 8s are 280. 35 8s are 280. Next, 3 into 35. 3 into 35 105 by 35 8s are 280. Okay, denominators are same. 64 by 280, 105 by 280. Here asking which one is greater. Okay, so here these two fractions, which one greater ma? 105 by 280 is the greater. Therefore, 105 by 280 is greater than 64 by 280. 64 by 280. But here given fractions what ma? 105 by 280. 105 by 280 means 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. Okay, here which one greater? 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 is the greater. Therefore, 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 is greater. Okay, 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 is greater. This is first one. Next one, one by 2 of 4 by 7, 1 by 2 of 4 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. Second one say 1 by 2 of 4 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. Same like first problem. Solution C. First of all we find the 1 by 2 of 4 by 7. 1 by 2 of 4 by 7. 1 by 2 of 4 by 7 equal to 1 by 2 into half means multiplication. Half means multiplication. 1 by 2 into 4 by 7. 1 by 2 into 4 by 7 equal to 1 into 4. 1 4s are 4 by 2 into 7. 2 7s are 14. 1 into 4, 4 by 2 sevens are 14. Next, 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. 2 3s are 6 by 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. We convert to the short form also. Okay ma. 2 2s are 2 sevens are. Okay. 3 2s are 3 sevens are. Okay. 1 by 2 of 4 by 7. 1 by 2 into 4 by 7. 1 4s are 4 by 2 sevens are 14. Okay. Here answer is 2 by 7. Answer is 2 by 7. 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. Okay. 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. 2 3s are 6 by 3 sevens are 21. Here common factor 3 is there. 3 2s are 3 sevens are equal to 2 by 7. Okay. Once observe my here. 1 by 2 of 4 by 7 value 2 by 7 and 2 by 3 of 3 by 7 value 2 by 7. Okay. Here which one is greater ma? Both are equal. Here both are equal. Therefore 1 by 2 of 4 by 7 and 2 by 3 of 3 by 7 are equal. Okay. Here both fractions are equal ma. Okay na? This is the third one. Okay. Next fourth one. Next one see fourth one. Rehna works 2 1 by 2 hours each day on her embroidery. Rehna works 2 1 by 2 hours each day in her embroidery. She completes the work in 7 days. She completes the work in 7 days. How many hours did she take to complete her work? How many hours she take to complete her work? Okay. Solution C. Number of hours worked by Rehna in each day. Number of hours worked by Rehna in each day 2.5 hour ma. 2.5 hour. Okay. She completes the work. Number of days she completes the work 7 days. Okay. 7 days. Number of hours did she take to complete her work equal to 7 into 2 1 by 2. Okay. See ma. Number of hours worked by Rehna. Number of hours worked by Rehna in each day. In each day equal to 2 1 by 2 hours. 2 1 by 2 hours. Okay. Next. Number of days she completes the work. Number of days she completes the work. Equal to 7 days. Number of days she completes the work 7 days. Okay. How many hours did she take to complete her work? So number of hours did she take to complete her work? Complete her work equal to number of hours did she take to complete her work equal 7 into 2 1 by 2. 7 into 2 1 by 2. Okay. For each day 2.5 hour ma. Total 7 days she completes the work. That's why 7 into 2 1 by 2 equal to 7 into mixed fraction given. Convert to the improper fraction. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 equal to 7 5s are 35 by 2. 35 by 2 equal to convert to the mixed fraction. Okay. 2 7s are 2 17s are 34. 1 by 2. 17 1 by 2 hours. Okay. 7.5 hours she completes the work. Number of hours did she take to complete her work? 17 1 by 2 hour means 17.5 hour. Okay. Once again see ma. Number of hours worked by Rehna in each day. Number of hours worked by Rehna in each day 2 1 by 2. Number of days she completes the work 7 days. Number of hours did she take to complete her work? 7 into 2, 1 by 2 equals 7 into 5 by 2. Okay, 7 5s are 35 by 2. 17, 1 by 2, 17 and a half hour. Okay, next one. Next fifth one, see, a truck runs 8 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. A truck runs 8 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol? 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol. Solution C. The distance by a truck 1 liter of petrol equal to 8 kilometers. The distance by a truck 1 liter of petrol equal to 8 kilometers. Okay, total distance will it cover using 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol. 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol equal to, the total distance will it cover using 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol equal 10 2 by 3 into 8. 10 2 by 3 into 8. 10 2 by 3, here mixed fraction given, convert to the improper fraction. 10 3s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32 by 3. 32 by 3 into 8. 32 by 3 into 8. Okay, 32 into 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 256 by 3. 256 by 3. Convert to the mixed fraction. Okay, 256 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24. 5 minus 4, 1. 6. 3 5s are 15. 6 minus 5, 1. 85, 1 by 3. Distance means kilometers. 85, 1 by 3 kilometers. Okay, once again see, the distance by a truck 1 liter of petrol equal to 8 kilometers. Total distance will it cover by using 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol equal 10 2 by 3 into 8. 10 3 is 30 plus 2, 32 by 3 into 8. 32 8s are 256 by 3. Okay, improper fraction convert to the mixed fraction means 85 1 by 3 kilometers. Total distance 85 1 by 3 kilometers. Next one. Okay, next one, see, Raja walks 1 by 2 meters in 1 second. How much distance will he walk in 15 minutes? Okay, solution C. The distance walked by Raja in 1 second equal to 1 by 2 meters. 1 by 2 meters. Okay, the distance will he walks in 15 minutes equal to 15 minutes into 1 by 2 meters. 1 by 2 meters per second, but here he asking 15 minutes, so minutes converted to the seconds. How many seconds in 1 minute? 60 seconds. That's why 15 into 60 into 1 by 2 converted to the improper. 1 2 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 equal to 15 into 60 into 3 by 2. Okay, 2 ones, 2 30s. 15 into 30. 450 into 3. 450 into 3. 3 0 0. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. Okay, 1350 meters. 1350 meters, or 1 kilometer 350 meters. 1 kilometer 350 meters. Okay, the distance walked by Raja in 1 second, 1 by 2 meters. The distance will he walks in 15 minutes. 15 minutes into 1 by 2. Okay, 15 into 60 into 3 by 2. Calculation doing means 1350 meters. Okay, thank you, ma'am.